2019 Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit comes out every month and includes 2 new collections, including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. This is perfect if you're just wanting a small sampling of new product coming in every month. With your kit, you'll also receive 2 recipe cards for 2 double-page layouts designed by the design team. There'll be one for each one of the 2 collections, including cutting and assembly instructions and a full color photo of the finished layout. This month's the 2 collections are Photoplay Paper from Belle Flower and Simple Stories Spring Farmhouse. If you love florals ready for spring, you are going to love this month's kit. It is absolutely gorgeous. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these collections. Starting with Photoplay Paper, this collection is called Belle Flower. This first paper is just my type, and it has the typewriters and then different phrases: hello gorgeous, unique, amazing, you are lovely, dream big. The back is a black with white polka dot. This one, called Hello Gorgeous, is a diagonal stripe with the pinks, the purple, the teals, the greens, the yellows, the little bit of orange. The back is this gorgeous floral design in the pinks with touches of yellow and aqua in it. Then we have Pretty Peonies, which is a beautiful pink flower again with yellow and pink small ones scattered without, and it's on top of this minty green with a white polka dot. Again, just gorgeous. If you love florals, this is stunning. The back is a 2-toned pink, so it has these beautiful roses and leaves drawn throughout that pattern, so hopefully that shows up for you. So one more look at the patterned papers. For your cardstock, you're going to get 1 sheet of flamingo and 2 sheets of white. The embellishments, you're going to get half a pack of the chipboard, so they will vary. Those are the ones that I got. And 1/5 a pack of the ephemera. So these will vary as well, but this is what I received in my kit. So that is your Belle Flower from Photoplay Paper. Next, from Simple Stories, we have Spring Farmhouse. This is another gorgeous floral collection. If you love the farmhouse look and florals, you're going to love this. So starting with our papers is this one called Live Simply, which is the pink and yellow and the turquoise on a black background. The back are smaller flowers in the blue and yellow and pink on yellow. This one, called I Love This Life, are all of these phrases, and then some of these are larger, and they have the little wreath put in for the letter O for bloom, home, joy, and then shine, simple and sweet, blessed, live simply. This would be great to cut little border strips and decorate your pages. The back is a motif of little berries and leaf petals on this blush pink background. This one, called Welcome Home, has all of the doors. Love the little wreath with flowers and the little bird in its nest. The back is a yellow and white striped. So you can see all of the patterns in here just screams farmhouse. It's just beautiful. For your cardstock, you're going to receive 1 sheet of Bayou and 2 sheets of vanilla. Your embellishments are going to include the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So you have this floral border that's a scalloped, all of these little word labels, the tabs, some of them are blank, some have words, and then large words you could use in your titles and your subtitles, and then all of the spring and farmhouse icons. Just a beautiful collection for everyday scrapbooking. So one more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to come on over to the Facebook group and the blog to check out what the design team and your fellow subscribers are creating with their kits, and check out all the other kits available in the ScrapRoom store along with the individual products you can add. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when the new videos are revealed. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.